बिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। प्यारे तलबा अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। कल हमने जो हम टॉपिक पिछले 2-3 दिनों से पढ़ रहे थे वो था पॉलिटिकल साइंस का पब्लिक फैसिलिटीज़। कल हमने उसको ख़त्म किया। आज मैं आपको उसी चैप्टर के सवालात कराने के लिए हाजिर हुआ हूँ। पहला जो क्वेश्चन है इसका वो है, Why do you think there are so few cases of private water supply in the world? इसका आंसर है, There are very few cases of private water supply in the world. Following reasons are responsible for the same. पहला जो रीज़न है वो क्या है? वाटर इज़ एसेंशियल फॉर लाइफ एंड फॉर गुड हेल्थ। दूसरा, वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट फंक्शंस ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट इज़ टू एंश्योर पब्लिक फैसिलिटीज़. सप्लाई ऑफ वाटर इज़ ऑल्सो द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट. तीसरा, द गवर्नमेंट ऑल्सो गेट्स some money for providing water, but government charges are very less in comparison to private water supply. चौथा है, in the world where water supply was handed over to private companies, there was steep rise in the price of water which was not affordable for many. पांचवा है, in Bolivia there were riots and protests and government was forced to take back the supply of water from private hands. दूसरा क्वेश्चन है इसका, डू यू थिंक वाटर इन चेन्नई इज अवेलेबल एंड अफोर्डेबल बाय ऑल? डिस्कस. इसका आंसर है, इन चेन्नई देयर इज ए बिग प्रॉब्लम ऑफ वाटर एंड इट इज नीदर अवेलेबल नॉर अफोर्डेबल बाय ऑल. In posh area like Ananagar, there is no shortage of water, but in a majority of the areas, there is a shortage of water and people are facing this problem. In Mylapore area, municipal water comes once in 2 days. Many people purchase water from tankers and they spend rupees 500 to 600 per month. In certain areas, drinking water supply is once in 4 days. In Madhipabgam area, people buy Bisleri jerry cans, but poor people cannot afford Bisleri water. In summer season, the flow of water becomes a trickle. People have to wait long hours for water tankers. तीसरा सवाल है, हाउ इज द सेल ऑफ वाटर बाय फार्मर्स टू वाटर डीलर्स इन चेन्नई affecting the local people? Do you think local people can object to such exploitation of groundwater? Can the government do anything in this regard? इसका आंसर है, इन चेन्नई प्राइवेट कंपनीज आर टेकिंग वाटर फ्रॉम फार्मर्स, दैट इज फ्रॉम देयर लैंड. दिस हैज़ affected not only the agriculture but this has also created shortage of drinking water for the villager. Moreover, water level in these areas have gone very down. Local people have a right to make protest against exploitation of groundwater. To protect public interest, the government can make rules and regulations to stop the exploitation of groundwater. चौथा क्वेश्चन, why are most of the private hospitals and private schools located in major cities and not in the towns or rural areas? इसका आंसर है, In a modern welfare state like India, it is the responsibility of the government to provide education to the people and to protect the health of the people. Besides the government, the private companies are also providing public facilities, especially in big cities. Big private hospitals and big private schools are opened in major cities and not in rural areas. For example, Fortis Hospital, Apollo Hospitals, Batra Hospitals, etc. Delhi Public School, DAV Public Schools, etc. are located in major cities, that is Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, Chandigarh, Gurgaon, Hyderabad, etc. Private hospitals and private schools are located in big cities because people in big cities can afford to pay their fees, etc. Private hospitals and schools are very costly and rural people cannot afford their fees, expenditure, etc. पांचवा क्वेश्चन है, do you think that the distribution of public facilities in our country is adequate and fair? Give an example of your own to explain. One of the most important functions of the government is to ensure that public facilities are made available to everyone, but in our country, the distribution of public facilities is neither adequate nor fair. For example, in Haryana, there is shortage of electricity, almost 8 hours cut in all the cities of Haryana. But in VIP's area of each city there is no such cut. Similar is the case of water. The burden of shortage in water supply falls mostly on the paper. बच्चों, ये थे आज के जो हमने कुछ सवालात किए। इंशाल्लाह कुछ और सवालात लेकर मैं कल हाजिर हो जाऊंगा। तब तक के लिए खुदा हाफिज़।